It's almost our 1-year anniversary. February 22nd, I think it was.
Oh.
24th was the second episode.
Oh.
So like the 22nd.
Oh yeah. So almost a year. Yay! We're gonna come out with a really cool 1-year anniversary.
We're just both not feeling too good, so we're just like kind of like chilling for now. And we just want to make a video and tell you guys that we miss you very much.
And we love you.
Love you. And we're gonna make a video very soon.
Soon.
For you guys.
Yeah. So stay tuned.
Stay tuned. And yeah. So basically, the video that we're making now is just kind of randomness.
And just saying hi, and just to keep staying tuned.
Yeah, just keep staying tuned. And I think actually a little later we're gonna have a special guest in our our next few episodes. We're gonna have a special guest. That'll be cool. We're gonna do some funny stuff. I got a new talking parrot, so we'll talk to him a little bit. But he's being a jerk right now and won't come out of his cage. And so
even the bird's not feeling good
yeah,
today.
the bird's not feeling good. There's a couple birds in there, but hello, birdie. Silver and gold, birdie. Can we get one more bird? Yeah. They're so cute. Jingle bell, jingle bell, jingle bell. Come back. Hello? Ah! Guess you wouldn't be looking at that. Good birdie. Look at him. Oh my God! Oh, come here, my precious little angel.
Aww.
Look at it.
It flew in my face.
I forgot his name. His name is... I have a couple of them.
They're so pretty.
I couldn't think of his name for the life of me.
Hi, little
Oh, I
birdie.
think it's Comet. It's Comet. Yeah, it's Comet. Mama? Mom! Mom! Yeah, whatever. She hates me.
She hates me.
Little birdie!
The parrot that talks, they give each other kisses.
Yeah, he goes, peekaboo.
But he's downstairs. We're upstairs. He just...
No, he didn't.
He did!
Ew.
That was disgusting.
I'm gonna put him away now.
Flop. Yeah,
I gotta put him on my head.
I don't want him to...
Ah!
I'm gonna go get a Kleenex right there.
Come back. Oh my gosh. Ew. That's disgusting. I'm not scared.
I touch it.
Wait,
is that it?
Yeah, it's good, it's good, it's good.
Is it? No, is it like... Ew!
You do love him.
I do. Well, you know he's carpet.
This is my sister's room. Doesn't matter. I hope you guys are good. Wish me luck at the Golden Globes.
Good luck! That's tonight.
That was no, you wish me luck at the Golden
I know, but that's so exciting.
Yeah, it is. Yeah. I gotta go to a dinner with a bunch of old people tonight, and so love you guys. I probably will have to cut that out.
I know.
I'll get scared.
Okay, so I said bye-bye.
Okay, I love you guys.
Love you.
God bless.
Bye.